Hello dear friend, Kuku is here. Welcome to my vlog. Here I show how I do 7 hard day challenge and 1 week weight loss diet plan. This 7-day diet plan will help you to change your lifestyle and help to lose weight within a week. And it includes easily available inexpensive ingredient recipes. There are primary areas of your body you should measure, and don't forget to weigh yourself each time. Take measurement in the morning before you exercise, eat, drink or take shower. In this challenge, the whole 7 day I start with one banana. Eating a banana on empty stomach in the morning can provide your body with a quick source of energy and essential nutrients. Most of the days I done my walk challenge in the morning time. Regular morning walk can help you feeling better, boost your mental and emotional health, increase energy level, prevent weight gain. On that first day morning, done almost 5,000 steps. Choose mueslis for breakfast. Mueslis contain oats, seeds, and dry nuts. Mueslis is full of ingredients that can aid your digestion, help you feel fuller. For natural sweetness, I'm adding dates in it. For lunch, 1 small cup rice and side dish sambar and thoran. Evening completed total 8,000 steps. Dinner special is horse gram or mudira in Malayalam. Horse gram is rich in fiber and proteins that play an essential role in weight loss. It has natural qualities that work as fat burner. Once you cook, you can directly add the horse gram. For extra taste, I'd salt it with onion and tomatoes. When the onion is soft, add masala powders. Then cook it with horse gram. It is the best food for stomach. Feel fuller long time. Day 2 start with one banana and dates. Done my morning walk. Every morning walk brings new energy. Nature beauty is the best enjoyment during the morning walk. Completed the total step at the morning. On that day for breakfast, I choose leftover mudira from my kitchen. Because of light breakfast, I had my lunch early. Today I choose two chapatis and sorted broccoli with egg. Mostly I prefer chapati in the lunchtime. Usually after 4 o'clock on diet days, drank 1 cup green tea. It's also helped to faster fat burning and increase metabolism. The second day night, I choose orange juice to hydrate my body at night. Day 3 start with the same routine. Brisk walk in a calm place is promote good feeling in your mind. Exercise increase blood flow and oxygen to the brain, triggering the release of feel good hormones. Completed my challenge of the day. On day 3, I choose very simple breakfast, bullseye and toasted bread. Turmeric milk. In previous videos I explained the benefits of turmeric milk. You can check in the description. Very simple lunch, two chapatis and egg burji. Dinner as simple as lunch, two chapatis and potato masala curry. As usual, start the day morning, had one banana before workout. I try to change my morning way. It helped to do the steps as more energetic than the last day. On that day I had brunch it after 11:30. Today I choose broken wheat porridge, Kodambu Kanji in Malayalam. It is a great option to enjoy the diet when you are on weight loss goal. Felt evening craving, I ate plums. Keep yourself hydrated. Drinking water or any other non-sugar based beverage can help you to reduce craving. Dinner special is veg omelette. Broccoli is the main ingredient. Omelets are rich in fiber, iron, vitamin C, and healthy fats. This is a better option for healthy diet day. Day 5 start with the breakfast missiles. Lunch I choose wheat porridge and green moong dal sorted with coconut as side. Godambu kanji and payar thoran in Malayalam. A bit change on that day I went for cycling. Completed my target. Beautiful day 6 start with a great morning sunshine. Completed my target 8,000 step at morning. After workout I had 2 chapatis and spring onion stir fry as side. In lunch I chose the same food of breakfast, little change only, extra add a tomato curry with breakfast. 4 p.m. drank refreshing drink and dinner 2 chapatis and katla curry. Day 7 start the beautiful day with brisk walk. This is the last day of the challenge. Had breakfast and lunch on time. Hydration is the key for many factors involved in the weight loss, including digestion and the muscle function. Studies show that female needs around 9 cups of water per day and males needs
People
13
who are
cups of
obese
water.
or overweight have different water needs. They should drink more water to remain hydrated and help lose weight. Again, measure your body after this challenge. It will definitely change and you can reduce 2 to 3 kgs in a week.